Why did I get into HVAC? I have a childhood friend who's from the industry, and he came to me one day and said, hey, it's time. And so I said, okay, let's do it.
Working for my dad, it's fun. He's just very driven, hard worker. He knows what he wants and he goes after it.
When Gavin joined the company, it was pretty great. One of the biggest things is I'm able to mentor my son. And so where my dad taught me the trades, I've shared that with my son, but the next phase of it is also now I get to teach my son business.
We really encourage and build growth within our company. Many of our managers came in as either technicians or working in the call center and that sort of thing, and then moving their way up. And so we encourage that growth everywhere.
What I like about our company is we value people, and we have this process that we go through to make sure that they're a good fit for the team. And I always say, I'm looking for our core values above all else: family, care, and grow. I feel like we can teach people how to turn a wrench, how to be a technician. I can't teach them how to be a good person. So overall, we're looking for someone with the right attitude and those core values.
I love being here at WireNut and the culture that we have here. The people honestly make it a great place to come in every morning. I feel as though our leaders are always there, always willing to help you chase your own dream, even if it doesn't have anything to do with the company itself.
We want our tradesmen, our people in this building, all of us, me included, to have a good career, a solid career where we can enrich our lives. And we want to make sure that we're taking good care of our customers' homes and keeping them safe and enriching their lives. That's the WireNut way, is living our core values and making sure we're taking care of people.
At the core of what we do is follow your word, stick to your word, and treat people like they want to be treated. We're going to do it the right way with the right people, and you're going to enjoy the experience. I'm Trent Urban, owner of WireNut Home Services, and I see Rheem at work every day.